Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, mind, body, wisdom expert, master dowser, and author of this book, Fearless, Accurate Dowsing, an Amazon bestseller. Let's talk today about lifting curses on your neighborhood. If you're having problems in your neighborhood, say with whether you got in the HOA community or not, with say like leakages in the water pipes, things breaking, car accidents on the street, stuff like that, it's quite possible that a bunch of people have cursed your neighborhood. Now, what was it, 2007, 2008, 2009, we had that big old recession. A lot of people sadly lost their jobs, they lost their homes, and I'm sure a lot of people curse their neighborhood and maybe the house and such. So people get angry and hurt and curse things. I hope everything breaks down. I hate this place. It sucks so bad. This is the worst place ever. Saying all that stuff, I understand when you're angry, but it does put a negative energy on your home, on your neighborhood, maybe even your car if you've had car problems or something. So get rid of it as fast as you can. The best way I know, of course, is by just doing a little clearing of the energy. Now you can do like this. While you're talking about clearing, you see me clear governing vessel meridian like this, or the crumbling action, which always feels just tingly and nice. Or you could use a pendulum. I'm going to use a pendulum because that's what I'm in the mood to do. And you just start spinning it in a circle to the left. You can use your hand or a necklace with like a weight on it, a pendant or something. And just start talking about, I now clear all curses, hexes, jinxes, cords, hooks, drains, tethers, damnations on my house, on my car, on my property, on my neighborhood, on my homeowners association, on all the things in my neighborhood, like the community pools, the tennis courts, pickleball courts, the basketball courts, all the commons areas, the trees, the plants, the grass, the plumbing, the irrigation systems, all this. I release all curses, hexes, jinxes from anyone or anything at any time. Even before these homes were built, it's quite possible that there were wars fought or battles fought on the land before it became your neighborhood, in the 1800s, or whenever there were recent wars in your country. Just clear it all out. We're also releasing from the elements of wood, water, air, fire, electricity, all the elements now, and the directions, north, south, east, west, above and below. Clearing all non-beneficial energies, entities, emotions now, from the water especially. Water can hold on to emotions. Clearing all the fear and greed and corruption out of the water in my neighborhood, in my city, in my state, in my country. And now let's spin in peace and harmony and love and well-being and unconditional love and gratitude for this neighborhood, for this house. If you wish, for the homeowners association, just allow Prime Creator's love and light and energy to come down and just fill us with all the best energy, kindness, compassion, well-being, and the water, and the air, and the wind, and the electricity, and the energy, and the wood, and all the elements of Mother Nature are now filled with vibrant life and love and well-being, and the spirit of well-being, and the spirit of healing, and the spirit of compassion and kindness, and everyone getting along. All the animals, the plants, the humans, everyone just getting along really, really well, and loving on each other, and supporting each other, and helping each other, and so it is. There's so much hatred in the world now, so many people trying to make us upset, like the media, social media, and the emotional terrorism that's happening to us now, trying to make us sick and confused so we can't function normally, so they could have us where they want us, which is hopeless and helpless. You don't deserve to be there, and your community doesn't either. So I hope this helped you perhaps uplift the community. And when you do that clearing I just did, you might feel like such a beautiful rush of energy, light, and love in your whole neighborhood. Make it so. Peace out. Namaste. Get 10 free chapters of my Fearless Accurate Dowsing book on my website, emorescue.com. There's also links to all my Amazon books and other interesting information. Thank you.